Are you struggling to come up with content ideas for your B2B social media? Let's explore 4 ideas you can use to engage your audience. The first idea is to showcase your company culture. By sharing behind-the-scenes content, you can humanize your brand and build trust with your audience. Did you know that 80% of B2B leads come from LinkedIn? That's why the second idea is to create informative LinkedIn posts that establish your brand as a thought leader. The third idea is to create educational content that addresses your audience's pain points. By providing value, you can position your brand as a problem solver. Finally, consider sharing user-generated content. By featuring your customers, you can strengthen your relationship with them and build social proof for your brand. So, there you have it. For social media content ideas to help you engage your B2B audience. Start implementing these ideas and see the results for yourself.